I'm gonna need some treats. I love these brands of treats. I use them all the time. They're the chicken recipe, Zook's mini chicken recipe treats. They're just honestly great. You should go pick them up. I'm also gonna need this little dog here. Not that little, but a dog. Let's go. And some treats. To be honest, right here, I thought that was Moki pooping on the floor. And I was like, Moki, you pooped on the floor, but no. Leave. Come on. Let's go. I'm going to create a line of treats, and then hopefully she'll follow them. Off camera, she went all 4 feet into the bathroom. Girl, yes! Yes! Yes, Now I'm gonna try to get the big shower hook thingy down and see if I can just wiggle it around her. Wish me luck. No one wants to see me struggle to get the shower off the hook. Progress check. It went pretty good. We'll definitely be doing a bit more of this stuff though. I don't know if you can see, but it's looking pretty wet right now.